Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can find the Marmot Tombstone in Graveyard Garden game of Roblox new Cool Garden update to claim the reward. Okay, I'm going to show you guys the Marmot ability. So this is the Tomb Marmot ability, and basically you need to find the tombstone to get the Graveyard Cosmetic. When you get the notification on your screen that says try to find the tombstone, you need to immediately find it, and you can find the tombstone around the map. It can be in your garden or outside your garden. You need to find it quickly guys before it disappears. If the tombstone disappear, you cannot climb your reward. Okay, and you can zoom out the map to find it. And this is how the tombstone looks like. You just need to go to the tombstone to claim your reward. And I got the cobweb cosmetic as my reward. And okay guys, that's how you can find the tombstone in Grow Garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.